The Convert CAD Points command is used to convert a CAD point, which is basically just a dot that maybe was brought in from a CAD file or extracted from a point cloud, to a Trimble Business Center point object. So basically you select the CAD points that you have that you want to convert, and on the CAD tab there's the Convert CAD Points. When you run that command, you'll see that it creates survey points basically, and you can delete the CAD point when done, and you can choose what type of CAD point or survey point to create, whether it's a grid point or it's a control point or a mapping quality or control quality, survey quality. So if we just say we want to create grid points, you can give it a feature code and you can pick a starting point for the point number you want to use, and when you click OK, it will convert those. So if I turn on my points and my point IDs, you can see that those points have been converted into survey points.